Buff Del Campo's not very talkative, but we have the grill from the Bronco, and it's got some cracks.
And like Kim always says, it's a salvage operation. So here we are, and I've got just, let's see what we've got we can use. This stuff is for drywall, but I think it'll work. I just want to put something across there to kind of give it some strength, and I'm going to put some JB Weld in there. So I'm putting a couple of layers of this stuff in this spot, like that. And then I'm going to mix up some JB Weld.
JB Quick.
JB
Weld.
Quick. I want JB Quick. This is Harbor Freight Tools Epoxy Super Weld. I don't think that's very quick. JB
I think we
Weld.
used up all the quick stuff.
I want the quicks. Oh, here's JB Quick.
Can you see it?
JB Quick.
Okay. You think that's going to be strong enough to hold this old thing together?
I don't know. It was almost holding together without anything. It was just there, and the only reason it wasn't staying is because there's a couple of holes that are ruined. I was going to fix the holes, but before I can fix the holes, I found this, or you found it, this thing that's
Big crack.
That's cracked. So I want to uncrack it. You can't really uncrack it, but you can bridge the crack with some kind of stuff, and then it won't fall apart.
Well, probably if most of the mounts, every other mount or every second mount is busted, it's cracked, split. So if we fix those and have enough hangers, it's less likely to split in half. I don't know. It's just an old thing.
Right. It was almost staying together the way it was. And I need the mixing stick. You got me mixing sticks.
Buff Del Campo doesn't speak to the camera. It's an autistic trait.
I'm sorry. Well, they could just, like, you could just switch from one little thing to another. It'll all happen real fast. So go like, chicka, 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 and it's done. You know, that's how the pros do it. Here we are. We're going to completely rebuild a car, and we tear it down, and we restore every last part in the car, and we get it all back together, and with the commercials and everything, it's 37 minutes, and it's done, and we give it to the customer, and the guy is so happy with it. That's how you make the video look.
Well, why aren't we doing that?
We are doing it. Oh, that's hard to come out.
That needs to eat a little more roughage in its diet.
Oh, God, Kim. And a shaky old man has a hard time getting the cap back on, but I got it on there. And I got the stir stick, got the right utensil.
This is riveting. Look, now you
mix it up.
Now you stir it around.
This is not riveting. This is gluing. You have a rivet
what I
tool.
really want you to do is make me a nice aluminum grill.
You do that, but then it's going to look like a Humvee or a Jeep or something.
Oh, geez,
I mean, that would be kind of cool to do.
It would take a year
to make one grill?
For you to fabricate a grill for this.
I don't think it would.
Every person would hit unsubscribe before we got there.
Unsubscribe by the time we got that far. Yeah, because nobody wants to wait. Anybody else wouldn't do this. They'd go out on Marketplace and look for one. Find one for a couple $100 and groan and buy it.
I got another junk old grill.
What? And I'm fixing this?
Well, the other one's just as bad.
Oh,
the other one's from a truck, so it's probably the wrong kind.
This is too long?
People will get all mad. That's not the right grill for that. Actually, that's the grill from an '86 pickup truck Ranger.
Weak hair. Okay, so I'm going to...
That's not numbers matching.
This is called stipple. This is called stipple, where you go like this.
Stipple?
Stipple, where you do that to the... I got to hurry because this is fast stuff. And I'm going to have trouble getting all the stippling done. And I'm going to put a second piece in there, make it a little bit stronger. Drywall stuff for automotive application.
Shouldn't you use metal? Wouldn't that be stronger if you used metal?
Yeah, but this is kind of a, what do you call it? This is a mesh, so I can get the glue in there. I guess we could use drywall mud, but I'm sure that's the wrong thing.
Yeah, that's kind of brittle.
No, drywall probably. I've done automotive stuff and aircraft stuff, especially with drywall, and then sand it all, make it perfect, and then pull a fiberglass mold off of it, and then make fiberglass parts out of the mold, but the pattern was made with drywall mud, and it was easy to deal with. You know, it was real easy to make the drywall mud the shape you want. Use cardboard, drywall mud, plywood, whatever, just whatever you can get, and it works really well. And but you don't use that for the final part. You just use that for the pattern, which a lot of people would call a plug. Same thing as a pattern. I don't quite have enough.
Do you need me to squeeze?
I don't know what I need. I need to not get it on my hands.
You didn't know I had the G.I. Joe Kung Fu grip.
Oh, yeah, I know you do. Because you always grab stuff that I can't get a doorknob open. She'll rip it open like it's no big deal. Or get a top off a soda bottle like it's no big deal. And I grunt, try. Because I'm old. Nothing works very well anymore. I got some on my hand. I didn't want to get on my hand, and it's on my hand.
Yeah, it is.
It's gonna just be there.
How many layers of that mesh do you think you want?
I don't know. I've got 2 in there right now. I don't know. I'm hoping that's enough, but I don't know. I don't even know if this stuff's going to stick to that mesh. I hope it does. If I didn't want it to stick, it would stick.
Oh, yeah.
We'd never get it off.
Yeah.
But now...
Well, think of it this way. We'll learn. If we know it doesn't stick, then we'll be able to use it as a releasing.
Oh, it'll be a release agent next.
Got to save this plastic chrome.
Kim has done this with sheet metal and this. She wrapped these around here and glued them there. And these were clamped for a while it's curing. That one is currently curing. This one's currently curing. This one is wrapped around the inside. These I put fiberglass. Yeah. Fiberglass on the inside, no fiberglass, fiberglass. And this one, oh, and I did this. We had already looked at this. This, we can drill holes in those, and we'll put it on. The grill shouldn't fall off again, so we're way ahead of where we were.
Till you hit a bump, and it all shatters.
So don't hit bumps. Glide over the irregularities.
Right. I'm sure that's how it'll go.
Okay. That is a grill.
We drilled some holes in it. I got some. We don't hardly need washers on these ones, huh?
Mm.
Put a washer or 2 in here. See if I can get this lined up.
That's not really long enough.
You know, I'm having problems with this drill.
Yeah, because there's no battery. It's not really long enough, but I guess it'll make it. Hey. It's held in, sorta. It's a little low, but yeah, don't screw them in real tight because you want to do some adjustment.
Yeah.
You know, if you adjust it, you don't make a lot of money. But if you calibrate it, you're going to make some money.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, we should definitely do the calibration.
Calibrate the... See, this doesn't align perfectly because that's probably too tight right there. Maybe. Needs some adjustment. No, it needs some calibration.
Boy, this is the dullest ending to the video. Say something. Say something interesting.
That was backwards. What are you doing? I don't know what you were making there.
I was making washers out of old
pieces.
Gatorade bottle lids.
Gatorade bottle lids. Yeah, that's the thing. Don't go out and buy washers when you got Gatorade bottles.
Why? I can't go buy washers because it's dark.
Yeah, you can't buy washers in the dark. But you can get old Gatorade bottle tops.
I just went in the trash and there was a bunch of them in there.
Okay, just get them all.
Where it's
yeah, well, you see, the fender's not aligned with the headlight perfectly because something that in this truck's probably not perfect anymore.
Do you think something's not perfect, huh?
From the looks of that bumper,
crazy talk.
That's not a bumper. That's a bump.
It's just a bump. Duh.
It's already done bumping.
It's been bumped.
See, it's already been bumped. It's beyond.
Got bumped a bunch of times. I just want when we hit a bump that it doesn't just bust in half and fly off. That's
if something busts off and flies off the front of the vehicle, then you run over it.
Well,
if it breaks off the back of the vehicle, it's not so bad. It just flies out behind you. If it flies out in front of you, then you run over it. That's not good.
It's just like brand used, baby.
It's like brand used, baby.
Just like brand used.
We'll never be the same.
See, here's a water bottle lid.
We'll never be the same after Rick was here.
We won't, because now everything's
brand used.
Thanks,
well,
Rick.
His is brand used. Ours is more like brand junk.
It's still junk.
This was a non-running pile.
Yeah.
And now it is a running vehicle.
Now it's a running pile.
Well, yeah, but this is a workable thing. Oh, that didn't go nicely.
Nah, it's perfect.
Yeah, you're using a green one. We'll have to go through and paint the bottle caps flat black.
We'll black it all out. I mean, that gives a little bit of flexibility there.
Yeah, that's good. I think there's a couple down there somewhere.
I think there's 3 more. There's one here, and there's a couple. I don't know. Even if a couple of these don't hold up, then as long as a couple do. Oh, this is bad. It doesn't line up at all.
I guessed wrong, huh?
No, I don't think it was you. I think it was the... Oh, maybe it was you.
Well, yeah, it was you bonded a piece of metal in there, and it's kind of a U-shaped thing or something. Or no, that's my fiberglass one, isn't it?
It just bends a little bit. Maybe I can get it with the bendiness. I think I might be able to get it here with the bends.
Or just drill a bigger hole.
Maybe drill a bigger hole. This is not a high precision operation.
Oh no, it went in.
There you go.
Okay, now there's one.
This one here,
isn't there one over here?
Yeah, there's one on either side. And there's supposed to be ones down at the bottom here, but
they're not. Oh, those are the ones that just tuck in. Those they fit into a. They just fit into a slot, don't they?
Well, there's like a hanging system in there, but it's such garbage.
The hangers are no longer good.
Yeah, those ones are beyond repair.
Ooh, that's a spinner. Oh, that tightened right up real nice.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. That'll be okay.
That's better than the 2 zip ties you had.
Yeah. Look at that.
Hey, you know what? That grill's on there.
Yeah. What do you think? It looks good, right?
Yeah, I think what we need to do
It looks like a Bronco.
is replace that bumper with some kind of a push bar or something. That's all bent. I think we could make something cool. With the junk we got around here, we ought to be able to make a push bar or skid plate or something.
Something cool?
Yeah.
All right. I guess we'll think about using something cool. Take all the fun out of it. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait.
Oh, there's more?
Yeah. I might as well keep it. So.
Oh, you want a picture
give it a
of me?
thumbs up and tell them to like and
subscribe. Thumbs up.
And tell them to like and subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah, like and describe. I
tried to make that bounce up as much.
I thought I was going to hit my bare feet, but it didn't.
You going? Okay.
Yeah, I'm going.
I'm working on this bumper, and it's pretty bad. I was thinking maybe if I can get that to go down a little bit, it'd be good.
I didn't think it would move. I thought it'd bounce up in your face, but I guess it is working. Yeah, I do is take the other hammer, take the point of the other hammer and hit the. Yeah, you got it. Or smack that hammer with the. Oh, that almost did it. Well, it's ugly, but it's way better.
Restored.
It's way better than it was. There's some mud falling off the backside of
it. It's all right. Perfect. Just like brand used, baby. Woo! All right. We're gonna do some high-end restoration now. On this, see, we got this little high spot here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull a little bit right about there. And then I can see it's a little high right there. I'm just going to give a... Gentle! be good. Now we can
Do
just
that again.
a little bit. What's that? Now we can just use a tiny bit of filler.
How to get the dirt that was raining out from under the car.
Oh yeah, that's how you get rid of the dirt daubers. And then now, all we need here is, you know,
where's that thing you took out?
A bucket of mud. And
where's that thing you just had in your hand that you took out?
What do you mean?
There was a big old thing you had.
Oh, it's in the trash.
Oh no, it was a nest.
You want to see the nest? I'll get the nest.
Not the nasty, dirty looking thing. The one that was the mud dauber nest. Oh, there it is. It's in there.
There was this.
That was in there.
That's the squirrel nest.
And this guy was in there.
And then I reached in there and grabbed like this.
And you found that.
And found this friendly thing. Luckily, it was already vacated.
Abandoned.
Woo, yeah. That was no fun.